Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. So today we're going to continue the previous topic rest, that is closed test concept and some important tips. As in our previous video, we have already discussed about the most important tips to solve closed test questions. So those are: read the passage carefully, identify tone and sentence patterns. So the next tip, that is select the type of word. Once you had understand the tone of the passage or the sentence, you need to find out the correct word to fit in the blanks. You need to decide whether to fill in a noun, article, pronoun, verb, preposition or conjunction in the blanks. The option which maintains the tone and consistency of the sentence is the correct option. So, for better understanding, here I'm going to provide an example. So, let's take an example and explain this. If you observe clearly, here I have provided one example. Let's go through that one. Essentially, I am interested in blank world, in this blank, not in some other blank or some a future life. So, for the above question, I have provided three options as 1, 2, 3. The correct answers to the blanks in the above sentence are A, B, and C respectively. The completed sentence will be read this. Essentially, I am interested in this reality, not in some other life or a future life. The bolded words are the answers to the blanks. Here, one needs to pay attention that if there are a set of common or related words in a closed test question, we should select the words which are commonly used. And the fourth tip, eliminate incorrect options by logical reasoning. To solve closed test questions, we have the usual inspection method. However, this method should be resorted to only after you exhaust options 1, 2, and 3 explained above. In this inspection method, you check the options given as alternatives to solve the closed test question. There is at least one incorrect option in every question. So, this can be better understand using an example. So let's check the example. There are a number of people here who are fat, comma, but, and the blank. In the blank, you need to fit the correct option from the provided options. A, underweight, B, overweight, C, physically fit, D, thin, E, emaciated. In the above sentence, you can remove options A and D. You have to choose the correct answer from the options B, C, and D. On inspection, the correct answer is C. Here I am providing the fifth tip is proofread after filling in the blanks after shortlisting the correct option. If you have followed all the steps mentioned above correctly, you will have got a passage that reads logically and correctly. Proofreading the passage once after filling in the correct options will let you iron out the issues if 2 or 3 answers options are nearby and you have selected an incorrect option. This may be explained with the example given below. Let's check the example. My auntie waved me goodbye on the bus slash the man sitting blank to me was a doctor blank to Kannur and blank participated in a conference. So let's check the options. Those are 1 started, 2 next, 3 going, 4 to. So from these 1, 2, 3, 4 options, you need to find out the correct option and you need to find fit the correct option for the above question. Uh, the above sentence is a good example of the tip discussed in step 5 above. So let's check some more examples. In this section, a couple more examples are provided to understand cloze test further. So you can observe the three more examples. The answers to the blanks in the above sentence are written at the end of the sentences in bold. So here I am providing some steps to follow from cloze test. Read the full sentence around the blank space. Imagine the word that you can use in the blank space. Check every option. Try to remove useless options. Usually, 2 to 3 options are absolutely out of context. Trust your intuition and go for the first option after thorough comparison with the other similar options. Change any answer if you feel so. Don't stick to the same question. Just read it twice. If you still can't get it, go to the next time. Because if you stick it to only one question to answer, you will get a chance to answer rest of the questions. So it will take a lot of time and it will chances to lose lot of marks in the questions. If you are prepared thoroughly to answer all type of questions, but you missed a strategy, as every person have his own her own strategy to answer questions to save time. So the some important strategies are: make your vocabulary really strong. So for this one, you need to daily practice questions and vocabulary related things. Read the passage in one go without marking the answers. Eliminate the words which do not fit meaning. Eliminate the words which do not match the tone. The tone can be four kinds for cloze test, which are complaining, suggestive, critical, and positive, respectively. The tone is very important because tone is the way a paragraph is written or the way the other wants to portray something. A tone also decides what kind of vocabulary should be used in the paragraph. If we have a complaining tone that simply says, if you complain something, then use negative vocabulary. If you are suggesting something, obviously we use positive vocabulary. If we are critical about something, that means we are passing some comments or compliments, then we can use both positive and negative. If we are positive, then we introduce something that may be positive or negative. I have just provided some basic tips and strategies to crack closed sections. We will continue this section with 2 to 3 videos, as it is very impossible to discuss closed test tips and strategies and quiz questions in one video. So that's why I am explaining very neatly and slowly, as it is one of the most important section and most important weightage section in English language section. Hope you all are liking these sections. If you want any type of other topics, you can make comment on our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Facebook also. Thank you.